Hello, everybody. I hope you're having a great day and a wonderful Teacher Appreciation Week. I do want to make sure that you know how much you are valued and appreciated here at Rasmussen. I truly am blessed with a really amazing team, so thank you for all that you do. Recently, I've been doing a lot of observations, and I think some of the feedback that has been shared with you at this point for a lot of you has been really looking at how to spice up the homepage so that it's not so overbearing and trying to clean up some of the stuff really usually pertains to how live lectures are shared or how the archives are shared. So I want to go through a few quick tips and tricks for you of some of the things that your peers have been doing. So first off, I want to start by how to change the name of your meeting. Really, this is to benefit you. For me, I rename my meetings so that I know which meeting I need to reference, and it might help for you as well. So on the far right, if you don't know the dot, 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 if you click on that and click modify, you can rename your faculty or your session, whatever you'd like it to be. Week 1, topic sentences, week 2, environments, whatever will help you to identify what that is. In addition, then in the playback control area, you always want to make sure that the chat box has a check mark next to it. For the most, and the video or polling, just so that the students can see if you had any additional conversations going on that you might be referring to when you're talking. Those checkboxes need to be selected. That's all you do to rename your archive so that you know what you're looking at. So what I really want to look at though is on your course homepage, and this is my sandbox that was created a long time ago, so it's not very pretty and not very fancy at all. But I wanted to talk about this live classroom session information. Now, this section, I prefer it, and I know that it's in the best tips and tricks to make sure that's on the right-hand side somewhere near your instructor information. It can be above or below. My suggestion or thought is to make sure that it does not end up underneath your course announcements. And here's why. If you put it under your course announcements and you have announcements open from 2 weeks ago or 3 weeks ago, students have to scroll and scroll and scroll. And while they should scroll, a lot of times they might miss where those archives are. If they are off to the right where less information is changing regularly, they are more likely to see it. So we have this section here. So what I want to do is go into the settings of this particular section for you. And when you click that, this is the section that you fill out when you first start your class. So I'm going to take out the one I have in here, but you type in here, please join me on Tuesdays. I'm going to say at 6 for our live session, okay? This is also where you would put in the link to your room. So instead of copying and pasting all of the login information, I'm just going to put Julie's WebEx room, because what I can do is I can link it, which is fantastic. So I'm going to go back to my room and grab my my WebEx room login information, right? So I want my my meeting room address. So I'm going to copy that over. And I'm going to go back into my live classroom. Now, once I'm back in the classroom, I'm going to highlight the part that I want linked. So I want Julie's WebEx room linked. Once I highlight, so if you look right now, well, now it is open. Before, when I didn't have my name highlighted, you couldn't click insert, but now I am able to. When I click insert, this screen pops up. And I'm going to put that path, so my web address, right in there. And I always change this to click to open a new window. Now the reason behind that is this allows a student to click back to the classroom and back to the live session with fluency. It also allows a student to then, when the live lecture is over, go straight back into the classroom and do stuff they're working on. So once I clicked OK, you can see that put the link in there. And now when I save it, and go out of this particular section back to my home page, it should be right there as a link. And again, I can click it. As you can see, well, you can't see the top, but this just opened in a new window, and it's going to take me right into the meeting. Okay, So this is the same thing that you would do to add in your sessions. So now I'm going to pretend that it's been after a Tuesday at 6 o'clock, and I'm going to go in now and I'm going to add after that section, right? Because I still want students to know Tuesdays at 6 for our live session. It's on my calendar and I have it in this section. So then I'm going to say week 1 archive, and I'm going to say it was on topic sentences because it's easy for me to remember. And I'm just going to leave it like that. I am then going to flip over to one of my rooms, and I don't have a meeting on topic sentences obviously, but I'm going to grab one of my meetings as an example, and I'm just going to take, I'm going to just grab this link, copy link location. I'm going to go back to the live classroom. I'm going to highlight either all of that or part of that, okay? Click that link again and click paste. As you remember, I prefer to open it in a new window, and I'm going to click insert. Sorry about that. All right, so now you can see again, week 1 archive is there, easy, breezy. Some other things that you could add here would be links to any videos that you share, because I think we've all experienced the fact that sometimes audio doesn't come through in videos. You could also add any PowerPoint slides that you wanted to share, any additional information. And so I'm going to pretend now it's been another week. I'm going to go back in. Okay. I guess I should submit. Do this first. So week 1 is over. Going back to my home page. There it is. I don't have to waste valuable real estate, right? We talk about the important information we want students to know, and usually that goes into course announcements. I don't have to waste valuable real estate in an announcement sharing what could easily be just popped over here as a link. If I click that link, it goes straight into my meeting. It's one you've all already seen, so I'm not going to make you watch it. But this allows the student then to go right in and see your archive. Okay. Now the next week comes. I do the same thing. I click the setting key. My computer is moving oh so slow today. And again, now I'm going to say week 2 archive and environments, only because I'm mixing my classes together now. I will go back to my WebEx, back to my recorded meetings. I will find my week 2 session. I will grab the link, and I will go back in again, highlight the word I want hyperlinked, click the link buttons. Sorry for all my pop-up messages. Click paste, click new window, and boom, it's there again. So really, I just wanted to share that with you. It really will change the vision of your homepage. It will allow you so much more real estate to share the important key concepts, the connections to real life. Oops, now I lost my page. But it will give you that opportunity to really make your homepage more homely, inviting, homey, not homely, inviting and engaging for students. So I just wanted to share that with you. I hope it is a useful tip. If you have any other questions or anything I can do to help, let me know. I'm learning along with you and playing along with you, so I like when we learn these fun tricks. Again, I hope you have a wonderful day. Happy Faculty Teacher Appreciation Week. I hope you know how much I appreciate each and every one of you. And I look forward to talking to you again soon. Have a great day. Bye.